never been one to vacation. I'm a traveler, an explorer. It's about leaving behind tour books and poolside resorts and making my own way forward. I look for the unexpected, drawn to unregulated experience and the passion and energy I discovered chasing the wind. Out here, I wake up to each day looking to be inspired by a moment of magic. I embrace this life without rules, seeking out raw experience on its own terms. Over the next horizon and the next wave, I'm pulled forward by unfamiliar cultures, new places, and new people. Kiting gives drive and direction to my travels. The ocean, the wind, a kite, and I'm home. I feel alive where the water meets land, and my heart beats louder when the wind blows. In the presence of wind and wave, I've reinvented myself. Guided by the wisdom in these forces, I've defined who I am and what I'm capable of. Looking out at horizons over endless swells, I'm thankful for the clarity and simplicity of the ocean. It takes commitment, and that's mostly the same for any dream worth chasing. To find something you love and abandon all reservations. Choose it, give it meaning, and make it yours. I know that this lifestyle has a price, but this isn't a compromise. It's my choice. I can choose differently tomorrow, but today, this is what I do, and it is what I am. This is a need I can't control. I follow my heart and live out my commitment for passion, exploring the boundaries of adventure. Kiting is an obsession. I am as much a part of it as it is a part of me.